In this video, let me show you how to screen mirror your MacBook Neo on your TV using Wi-Fi. There's no cable connected between these two devices. Let's get started. So the first step is to make sure that your smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your MacBook Neo. Then make sure the TV is turned on, and you're going to go on the Mac over here on the top right corner and click this icon. Next, you need to find the icon that looks like this one. It's two rectangles. Tap on it. And over here where you see mirror or extend, you should get your TV. Mine is the LG WebOS TV. Yours will have a different name. Tap on it. And usually on the TV, you're going to get a number, 2408 in my case. Yours will be different. Go ahead and type the same number on the MacBook. And once you type the right password, sometimes it works right away, but over here it will ask what kind of mirroring I want. Do I want the entire screen, a certain window or app only, or I want it to be an extended display? So yeah, as it says, you can drag stuff on that TV and it will not be the same thing as the screen of your Mac. In my case, I want the entire screen, and I'll click Start Mirroring. And here we go. It works just like that. Now, you may see a lag depending how fast your Wi-Fi connection is. If you have a strong router with a strong Wi-Fi connection, there won't be much lag. But if you have a slower one, well, there will be a lag. As you may have noticed, the resolution on my Mac changed. Since I'm mirroring on the TV, it will take the resolution of the TV and apply it to the Mac. So it may look a bit weird on the Mac itself. Fortunately for us, you can change the settings. So if you go over here on the top left corner, select System Settings, and then on the left side, you're going to select Displays. So by clicking on the TV or the Mac, you can change different settings. Over here, I click on my TV and I can change the resolution. This is a 720p TV, that's why it goes up to 720. But if you have a 4K TV, it will say 4K and you can enable that resolution. Also, same thing on the Mac. If I click on it, I'll be able to change a few things. And if I want the screen to be optimized for the Mac, I'll go here and select my MacBook, and right now everything looks perfect on my Mac, but on my TV, as you see, it's not optimized for my TV anymore, therefore I'll get some black bars. At the end, once you're done, you can simply go at the same spot on your Mac, click the same icon, and in that case, you're going to select Stop Mirroring. So this is about it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, leave a like, comment down below. Check my Amazon links in the description if you want to get some accessories compatible with your MacBook Neo. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.